Welcome to the future of smart manufacturing, where precision meets performance. At the heart of this setup is the powerful FANUC R-2000iC Robot, engineered for high-speed, high-payload automation for CNC VTL and VMC machine tending application. Multiple robotic cells, all integrated and synchronized, ensure continuous high-speed machining for crown rings and crown wheels, maintaining consistent quality and throughput. The process begins with OP10 machining on VTL. Followed by automatic flipping and transfer to OP20, all handled seamlessly by the robotic arm. Once turning operations are complete, the component moves to the VMC for OP30 milling, ensuring dimensional accuracy across all faces. Our proprietary auto-offset correction system eliminates manual intervention, continuously adjusting tool paths based on real-time measurements. To finish the cycle, the component undergoes laser marking, enabling traceability and part identification as per industry standards. Gray Matter Robotics, delivering cutting-edge automation for tomorrow's manufacturing needs.